how to withdraw money from Bitget to bank account. Now, first of all, open the Bitget app and make sure to log into your account. And from the top left corner, tap on your profile icon. And as you can see here, scroll down a little bit, and tap on the B2B option. You will be able to find it under the popular section. After you tap on it, and as you can see here, you will be able to see two options, the buy option and the sell option. So because we want to withdraw our money, we need to select the sell option. Now, after you select the sell, first of all, select the token that you want to withdraw, that you have funds on, for example, USDC. And after you select your token that you want to withdraw, now you can select the limit that you want to withdraw. Now tap on limit and select your limit here, or you can just type on it here like that. For example, 1000. After you select the limit, now tap on confirm. Now from the top right corner, select your currency that you want to receive your money on. Now select your local currency. You can, if you can't find it here, just you can search it for you. For example, the MED or the EAD, as you can see. Now just select your local currency. After you select your local currency, now you need to select your bank by tapping on method. Now as you can see here, you will be able to find your bank here. If you don't find your bank here, just tap on it or type on it in the search bar. For this example, I will use the WISE. So after you find your bank, now just tap on it. And as you can see here, you will be able to find this merchant. Now select one of them. For example, this one. After you select it, now you need to add your bank. So as you can see, the merchant is offline and may not reply promptly. Please think carefully before placing an order. Now make sure to read that before going on withdraw and sell your token. And after that, tap on confirm. Now, and as you can see here, tap on go to settings. Now, in order to receive or sell your token, you need to add your bank. After that, as you can see here, tap on add. And as you can see, if you don't see your bank here, you can tap on the search bar and type your bank. In this case, it will be the WISE bank. After you find it, now tap on it. As you can see here, just provide the email of your bank account and tap on confirm. And you will be able to see different section here because it's changed about a different bank. So if you select another bank, you can provide the account number, the phone, or the any credential that need to provide it here. So after you provide the credential of your bank that they ask you for, tap on confirm to add your bank. So after you add your bank, now just go back as you can see here, and now you can sell your token by tapping on sell. So after you tapping on sell, now you can sell your token and withdraw your money to your bank that you select. So this is how to withdraw money from Bitget to bank account. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.